What's up guys? I'm Misako Rocks. Today, let's draw Sailor Moon. 好きに変わってお仕置きよ Let's go! I said in Japanese. Okay. So first we're gonna draw her. Don't worry about eyebrows today. I'm gonna try to make it like original as much as possible. Yet sort of like, our style. Misako's kawaii style. Alright. And then this Sailor Moon eyelid is pretty just round like this, and then kind of like a lot, 4 or 5 strong eyelashes on the side, right? And her eye, little long. Okay, go like that. Okay, and then we're gonna add shiny bubble. Oh, I want to do kind of like a dark blue bubble, so just leave it one bubble. That's good. Then with this side, she is winking. Yeah, she's winking. So this is close. Oh, can you add another semi eyelid line, please? This side too. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And her nose, of course, it's a manga character. It's small. And she got just kawaii smile. Nice. Okay. So we are going to start drawing her face line. All right, so I'm going to tilt it just a little, go like that, from here, because this area is going to be her peace signs right there. So we're not going to draw that spot. Go like that. And I want to give her a nice round face line, okay? So like a 1, 2 straight line here, and then kind of a wide cheeks, sharp little chin. Right, and then yeah, like this. Okay, so she's wearing, oh yeah, she's wearing a lot of stuff here. Let's start drawing from her bangs. This is her signature too. We're gonna use tons of yellow guys today. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and actually, yeah, I want more. Okay, so her bangs doesn't finish right there. It's a little bit of like a wider, okay? Go like this. And on this side too. So imagine her peace sign is going to be here. So I don't want you to draw. Just leave it just one. One is good for now. Okay, and then let's add a little bit more. Then can you give her a nice kind of a round head shape? Go like this. An accessory here, and it's going to be hairband. So no hairband, what am I talking about? Hairband, no hairband, yes. Draw like this, little like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like a yummy bread. Okay, and then you are going to start adding more hairlines in the middle. Okay, and then I wanna draw, yeah, let's draw her this dramatic long hair. Okay, so I'm gonna sort of go a little up here, right? So from the top, go here. So go to this is gonna be like shoulder area. Okay, so go here like that. Oh, I'm looking at the sample I made because that's a lot. Go here. So this is relaxed, right? But then the edge right there, wave goes like really strong, little small too. 1, 2, 3, like this. So now I'm going to do the same thing like right next to. So let's draw more hair comes in, and then 1, 2, 3, kind of like that. Good? Okay. All right, here. And then let's draw neck. I'm kind of following slightly guideline what's good. And then heart right there. And she's wearing a sailor uniform. And I'm going to show you how to do that. And this is a really classic, common school uniform in Japan. My school uniform was also sailor uniform. So this is kind of perfect. But our sailor uniform was not this cute. It was like really more basic. I wish like the scarf was a red like this, but it was like just a white, like a dark navy blue, stuff like that. Okay, go like this. And then we can add like a mark stuff like that going on, but This is good for now. And an oversized bow, okay, here. Okay, good. And don't worry about this arm yet. We're gonna actually work on this side. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add here. This looks like a shoulder pad, but it's not. So really like sharp heart. 1, 2, kind of like this. And then go here. Let's do this side too. Here, I think this is good. Yep, okay. So after the shoulder pad, what I want to draw is her arm line. Go here, here. Okay, go like this. Good. Then, well, you don't need to show elbow, but from elbow maybe around here, comes in here, and then yes, she has peace sign. That's the signature pose too, right? And this is so manga anime and the Japanese kids, not just the kids, even grown-ups too. My parents, grandparents, everybody, yes, we do peace sign. So let's do peace sign from here. Go like that. And we're gonna start drawing above, okay. So this egg shape right there, and from the top, you drew lines here, right? Can you draw bunny ears? Here, bunny ears, kind of like this. And then right next to bunny ears, it's gonna be a ring finger. I forgot the word. And then pinky bent, okay? And right there, you're gonna draw thumb, kind of like this, and connect the line. As long as you finish drawing this, the bunny ears, all you need to draw is just 2 fingers just gonna bend, okay? Like that. Now you can start drawing the rest of the hair. So let's just finish the rest of the bangs and hairband too. Okay, here. Go like this. Okay, more to side. And I want to add more hairlines. Goes up, up, up. Goes up, 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 right? And she has a little red accessory here. And a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, okay? And a tons of hairline, please. In the middle, side, that'd be nice. And this hair, it's gonna be from here, go like that, here. I wanted to actually, you know what? I wanted to draw this hair is on the shoulder, but I kind of messed it up already. So I can't, maybe just a little bit, okay? Here. And then rest of them goes back. Kind of like this. Whoa, sorry about that. I didn't show. Here. Kind of like this. Same movement, right? And then let's just draw her arm. So this arm is just right next to her body. So you don't need to worry about shoulder pads so much. Here. Okay. Whew. Okay, I want to add maybe a few more hairline. I think this is good. Then let's just erase a little pencil line if you have, and let's start coloring. Okay. If you're enjoying this video, you love my new book, How to Draw Kawaii Manga Chibi. There are tons of chibi step-by-step tutorials and tips for making your manga stories. Scan the QR code to get your copy. Now let's get back to the video. Ta-ta! Tons of yellow and red and a blue. Okay, if you're ready, let's start adding a skin tone. But before skin tone, I forgot showing this headband. So if you can add a little bit of headband underneath this bangs, that would be great. Then can you start coloring skin tone from here? Okay, so from a shoulder to elbow, and a face and a neck. Okay, let's do it. Then, can you add little rosy cheeks? Always good sign. Maybe in the lips a little bit too. And let's start coloring her hair color. So for this moment, we're just going to use only light yellow, and I'm going to fill just every spot of this hair, okay? With this light, like a little light lemony yellow. That would be great. Let's start coloring. Alright, so after you finish coloring this yellow, we're going to use a little darker yellow to add a little bit of shadow, okay? Because just the one tone of yellow is a bit boring. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little like a dark mustard yellow around bangs, kind of like this, okay? Just a little more like that. Here. And then maybe even the hair too, this back, this long hair, pigtail, this one, right there. And then actually underneath this arm, this one's a little darker, please, because it's in a shadow. Here too, we're going to go a little up. You know what I mean? Kind of like this. Here, and now I'm going to move it to this side too. Whoa, 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 here. Sorry. This side here, a little more like that. Oh, I didn't do this part. Kind of like this. And here, now it's going to be kind of like a darker mustard yellow here. And here too. Just add a little like nice touch, okay? So her hair looks more rich and full. So that's the kind of important part for manga hair. Okay, kind of like this. And if you have like a neon yellow, this is my favorite. I'm going to use on the edge a little bit here, here like this, you know what I mean? So this is a Prisma color pencil, neon yellow. And it's color pencil, but look, you can see how shiny it is, right? So I kind of want to try it, okay? Then let's start adding her eye color. Alrighty. So her eye color, so except this shiny bubble, I'm going to start drawing light blue, kind of like this. And then can you use dark blue? And then can you just sort of like add a line like there? And actually, you know what? I said I don't want us to use black for this, but I want you to. So can you add a little bit like black bubble in the middle like this? Okay. And then a little bit more spike line, kind of like this. Okay, good. All right. So that's the eye color. And more yellow here. Okay, and this is gonna be red, right? Here, red. Good. Oh, also the middle part, this part too. Now I'm just going to now sailor uniform. This is yellow, so I'm using this shiny neon yellow. And I love to use a little dark red, the bottom part of bow. Kind of like this, and then go a little light on the top, kind of like that. This little dark, press, 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 and dark. Press, 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 and little dark, please. See, so it looks like this even bow. Doesn't look just a flat drawing bow. Looks like a 3D. Then let's use blue, 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 blue. Here. Okay, blue here. Da, 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 da. And also, we gotta do this heart necklace too. Go like this. And I know this is gonna be red here. And neon yellow. Okay. If you wanna add a little bit of more shadow around here, gloves here, or even underneath bow just a little, you can use pencil to add just a little bit of shadow like this. Okay, Then let's write it down. Sailor Moon in Japanese. Full title in Japanese, we say Bishoujo Senshi. Sailor Moon means beautiful girls warrior Sailor Moon. That's the literal translation. It's pretty long, so I'm gonna show you how to just write this full Japanese title. Okay, here. It's gonna be a little small here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whew, this is B. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is show. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is a beautiful girl. Okay, the next is senshi, means warrior. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, oh my goodness, 13. This is sen, 1, 2, 3, shi. So B, shoujo, shi. Okay, and then Sailor Moon here. 1, 2, hyphen, 1, 2, hyphen, 1, 2, hyphen, 1, 2, 2. This is se la mu. Okay. Wow, we did it. Good job, guys. Ta-ta! We did it! Sailor Moon! 月に変わってお仕置きよ! Oh my gosh, so cute! Hard work, but I hope you enjoyed. And if you have more requests, write it down here. I can't wait to hear from you. So thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye-bye! One more thing. Take a look at my book collection, my graphic novel series, Bounce Back, and activity book series, How to Draw Kawaii Manga. Arigato!